In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flashcards with Grok AI. If you want fast, clear study materials or quick review decks for a meeting, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn any topic into usable flashcards in minutes. First, open Grok AI. You can visit the official website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. Make sure you're on the legitimate site or the official app, and if you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so your session saves properly. Next, open the chat interface. When the site or app loads, you should see a chat window front and center. If it's minimized, look for a chat or message icon to expand it. This is where you'll give Grok your instructions and content. Now provide the topic or content. In the chat box, type a concise subject or paste the text you want to study. You could enter something like cell biology basics, paste a short article, or list key bullet points from your notes. For best results, keep your input clean and organized. Remove unrelated bits and clarify any terms that might be ambiguous. Before we generate anything, quick note. I've placed the official website link and, if you prefer the app, the download link right at the top of the description, so you can access Grok AI directly from there. Ask Grok to generate flashcards. Use a clear prompt such as create flashcards for cell biology basics, or generate question and answer flashcards from the text above. You can also specify a level or format, like beginner level, short answers, or use simple language to match your needs. Review the flashcards that Grok produces. Read through each card to confirm the questions are accurate, the answers are correct, and the set covers the main ideas, definitions, and examples you care about. If something's missing or too advanced, make a quick note of what to adjust. Refine if needed. Send a follow-up prompt to add more cards, simplify the wording, change the format, or focus on particular subtopics. For example, add 5 more cards on cell membranes. Simplify the answers to one sentence, or convert these into closed deletions. Iterate once or twice until the deck feels study ready. That's how you can quickly generate flashcards using Grok AI. You now have a clear process from opening the app or website to refining a study-ready deck. Thanks for watching.